In our modern world, digital identity is paramount. It is the cornerstone of our interactions, transactions, and communications. From the moment we wake up and check our emails, to the time we go to bed after scrolling through social media, our digital identity is in constant use. We rely on it for everything from online banking to social media. It's how we connect with friends, manage our finances, and even how we work. The convenience it offers is unparalleled, but it comes with significant risks. Our digital lives are intertwined with our physical ones. The line between the two is increasingly blurred as we use digital tools to enhance our everyday experiences. Whether it's shopping online, controlling smart home devices, or working remotely, our digital identity is always at play. Yet our current systems of identity management are flawed. The reliance on passwords, which are often forgotten or easily guessed, creates a frustrating and insecure experience for users. The constant need to remember and reset passwords is a significant pain point. Passwords, the gatekeepers to our digital selves, are often weak and vulnerable to attack. Many people resort to using simple, easy-to-remember passwords or reuse the same password across multiple sites, making them easy targets for hackers. Data breaches are all too common, putting our personal information at risk. Every year, millions of accounts are compromised, leading to financial loss, identity theft, and a loss of trust in digital services. This reliance on centralized databases for identity verification creates a single point of failure. If these databases are breached, vast amounts of sensitive information can be exposed in an instant. Hackers constantly target these databases, seeking to exploit any vulnerability. The more data stored in one place, the more attractive it becomes to cybercriminals. The result? Our personal information is under constant threat. Every breach erodes our confidence in the systems designed to protect us, highlighting the urgent need for a more secure solution. Clearly, a new approach to digital identity is needed, one that moves beyond the limitations of passwords and centralized databases. We need a system that is secure, user-friendly, and resilient against attacks. One that prioritizes security, privacy, and user control. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning and facial recognition, offers a glimpse into the future of secure digital identity. This is where Decentralized Identity, DID, comes in. By leveraging blockchain technology, DID provides a way to manage digital identities that is secure, private, and under the control of the individual, paving the way for a safer digital future. Decentralized Identity, DID, offers a revolutionary solution to the problems plaguing traditional identity systems. It shifts control from centralized authorities to individuals, giving users ownership and agency over their digital identities. Imagine a world where you control your data, not corporations or governments. This is the promise of DID. No longer will you need to remember countless usernames and passwords. With DID, you become the sole custodian of your digital identity. This empowers you to securely interact online without relying on vulnerable third-party platforms. This is not just about enhanced security, it's about reclaiming your digital sovereignty. So how does DID work? Imagine a digital wallet that you own and control. This wallet stores your verifiable credentials, like your driver's license or university degree, issued and cryptographically signed by trusted institutions. These credentials are not stored in a central database, but distributed across a decentralized network. When you need to prove your identity, you simply share the relevant credential from your wallet. The recipient can verify its authenticity using cryptographic keys without needing to contact the issuing institution. This eliminates the need for passwords and significantly reduces the risk of fraud and identity theft. Decentralized Identity (DID) is built on a foundation of cryptography, ensuring the highest levels of security. Each user possesses a unique pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. The public key can be shared freely, while the private key remains secret. This system ensures that only someone with the corresponding private key can access and authorize transactions using their digital identity. This eliminates the risk of unauthorized access, even if a hacker obtains your public key. This makes DID significantly more secure than traditional password-based systems. Section 5. Real-World Applications, DID in Action. The potential applications of Decentralized Identity, or DID, are vast, spanning across numerous industries and sectors. This technology is not just a concept, it is actively being integrated into various real-world scenarios, transforming the way we manage and secure our identities. Let's delve into some real-world examples to understand how DID is making a significant impact. Secure access management. In corporate environments, employees can use DID to access company resources securely without relying on traditional passwords. This not only enhances security but also simplifies the user experience, reducing the risk of password-related breaches. Digital identity verification. Governments around the world are beginning to issue digital IDs that citizens can use to prove their identity both online and offline. This can streamline processes such as voting, accessing government services, and even traveling, making them more efficient and secure. Supply chain management companies are leveraging DID to track goods and products throughout the supply chain with greater transparency and security. This ensures that products are authentic and have not been tampered with, providing peace of mind to both businesses and consumers. These are just a few examples of how DID is already being implemented today. The versatility of this technology means that its applications are virtually limitless, and we are only scratching the surface of its potential. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. From healthcare to finance and beyond, DID is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world, making it more secure, efficient, and user-friendly. Section 6. Benefits beyond security, the DID advantage. Beyond its robust security features, DID offers a plethora of benefits for individuals and organizations alike. Digital identity, DID, is revolutionizing the way we think about online security and personal data management. It's not just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with the digital world. Enhanced privacy. You control what information you share and with whom, minimizing data breaches and unwanted tracking. This means that your personal data is no longer scattered across various platforms, vulnerable to breaches and misuse. Instead, you have a centralized, secure way to manage your identity. Increased user control. You are the sole owner of your data, empowering you to manage your digital footprint effectively. This level of control is unprecedented, giving users the power to decide how their information is used and shared. It's about putting the user back in the driver's seat. Reduced costs. Eliminating passwords and central databases simplifies processes and reduces operational costs. For businesses, this translates to significant savings in terms of both time and money. The streamlined processes mean fewer resources are needed to manage and secure data. These advantages make DID a compelling alternative to traditional identity systems. Traditional systems are often cumbersome and prone to security flaws. DID, on the other hand, offers a more efficient and secure way to handle digital identities. It's not just about security, but about creating a more user-centric and trustworthy digital world. By adopting DID, we are paving the way for a future where digital interactions are safer, more private, and more efficient. This is the future of digital identity. Section 7. DID and the future of digital security. The rise of Decentralized Identity, or DID, signifies a paradigm shift in digital security. It represents a move away from centralized control and towards user empowerment. As our digital lives become even more intertwined with our physical realities, the need for secure and trustworthy identity systems will only become more critical. DID, with its focus on user control, privacy, and security, is well positioned to play a central role in shaping this future. By embracing this technology, we can create a more secure and equitable digital world for everyone. Section 8. Embracing the future, a call to action. The transition to a DID-powered future requires collective action. We must demand better from our technology, choosing solutions that prioritize our privacy and security. Individuals, businesses, and governments must work together to embrace and implement this transformative technology. The future of digital identity is in our hands. Let us choose a path towards a more secure, private, and user-centric digital world. Let us embrace decentralized identity. Section 9. Learn more and join the revolution. This is just the beginning of the decentralized identity revolution. There's so much more to explore and discover. Subscribe now to stay informed about the latest developments in DID and other cutting-edge technologies shaping our future. Join us on this exciting journey towards a more secure and decentralized digital world.